spinning. Came in here and these guys are just spinning like this. Why were you spinning?
Because so you can get it now. Can I hold it? Mom, I'm going there to the farmer.
Where are you going?
To McDonald's to have breakfast. Yeah.
You look sad though.
That's breakfast. McDonald's for breakfast.
Really?
Because I'm tired.
Cool.
And Justin, we're going to the farmer. But we're doing
Getting something, but you don't know quite what yet?
Yeah, I know what Pancakes. I don't want extra. Or the big breakfast.
I think Sam and Ben are getting the big breakfast, and you guys are getting Happy Meals. We don't come here often, so we have no idea what's even on the
I don't
menu.
want
McDonald's.
Yeah, everybody's quiet. We got food.
Can you get a receipt? Yeah. To get us in your number.
Hey Samurai, I forgot you were sitting next to me. No touching with sticky paws.
because you said.
You like that?
This is
Yummy McDonald's. Yummy. No, don't do that. I like your bib. Ben wouldn't keep his on. This is a fun thing. Did Mom have a fun idea this morning? Super fun. We don't really fit at a table though, do we? Cool.
Daddy, go shoot against the air.
Hey guys, did we go to McDonald's this morning? Was that fun? Oh, you got toys. Did you get a toy too, Joshi? Cool, and now we're gonna go down to Grandma's and Grandpa's and say hi.
Yeah.
Because we're just looking for things to do today. Because we can't be outside. Because all our trees are getting cut down. See? There's the big truck that's cutting down our trees. They're cutting down all those trees right there. All those ones that look like they don't have leaves, they're all going. Like, those are big trees. They don't look like much on the camera, but those are big trees. But they all have to go because they have to make room for... Yeah, huge tree. Yeah, there was a tree right there. The tree right there that was all up around our lines. Gone. She's coming back today to do more, so we can't be outside. Plus, it's kind of buggy anyway. And
Daddy, I don't know where the egg goes.
I don't know, dude.
Maybe it just goes at the
Where did... I don't know where Mom went. She went out and she picked with bacon fresh. No, I got diapers. I went and got diapers. Then she left the door open, and I think there's bugs outside. Oh, can I reach it? Can I reach the door? Whoa. We don't want no bugs on us. I don't think I'm gonna be able to turn around in my driveway currently because of these giant.
I did not.
This out.
Sarah.
This out.
Oh, what's that?
No.
Hi. Let me see you shoot it. What do you got there?
Oh, George.
Hanging out with Papa?
Shooting time.
Oh, we gotta shoot it at your target. Joshie, where's your target?
No, we don't have a target.
Oh, there you go. Well, that's what you're supposed to shoot at.
Oh.
You're gonna shoot at the egg?
Good.
Hey, no, shoot it at the target. Right in here. See if you can hit it.
My suitcase with
I don't have my egg.
Maybe you can put it
I
over
left
here,
it in the
right?
car. I didn't know what it was.
Hey, Benner.
No, that's where the pig goes. But Uncle Sean.
You want up there too? You can sit on this side.
There we go.
There you go.
Uncle Sean's sleeping.
There we go.
Papa, Uncle John is sleeping, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because he's tired.
Well, yeah, because he's a boy and he sleeps in. Yeah.
One more. But
Hey, Benny.
he can't sleep in Grandma's bed.
No, he doesn't sleep in Grandma's bed. He sleeps in his own bed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Super bed.
Damn, tap out.
He can't sleep in our bed.
Is that right?
I
I can't sleep in your bed.
Yeah.
But we can all sleep in our bed.
You can all sleep in your bed.
Yeah.
Well, you and all your sisters all sleep in the same bed, don't you? Yeah.
That's a sports car.
This car. Sports car.
Yeah, like Uncle John used to drive. Yeah.
Hey, Simmer. Hey.
Racing car.
Oh. What are you doing?
That's like what Grandpa pinned himself to the wall
Hi.
down in McLaren.
What is this?
That's another racing car.
Is it for you?
Racing.
Is it for you?
That's a car that goes really, really, really fast, Annie.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're home. We had a whirlwind of a day. I'm taking video of it. I don't think I've said hi.
Dad,
Hi.
you want to see how big my paper is?
Whoa, it's huge.
It's a big
Our
paper.
house is a little bit of a mess. Because we were gone all morning long. So we woke up this morning, had a crazy week. And so we're like, let's do something fun because we can't go outside today because they're cutting down trees. So we're like, let's go to McDonald's for breakfast. So we went to McDonald's for breakfast like 6:30 in the morning. 8 people. It was super fun though. Was it fun going to McDonald's?
Yeah.
Yeah. 7-year-olds, you can't get anything out of them.
Yeah.
Anyway, was it fun? McDonald's fun? You had pancakes. You did have pancakes.
Yeah. And everybody, you can
Anyway,
puzzle
so
it.
we did that, and then we went down to visit.
You did a puzzle.
Oh, and you guys just did a nice puzzle. Very nice puzzle. And you couldn't find one of the pieces, but then you found it. Yeah, I'm in the middle of cleaning up because you guys made a big mess. But you did get to do your puzzle because I made a spot on the floor for you. So we went down to visit Grandma and Grandpa because Grandpa had been in the hospital and he got out and went home. So we went down to say hi, and they're outside cutting down our trees. They're cutting down like so many trees, like seriously so many trees. Oh, they're even cutting trees up. Well, you can get up on the stairs and see if you want. If you sit up here, maybe you'll see. You sit up with Annie on the stairs, be able to see outside.
Hey, I see him.
Yeah? Can you see him?
No.
Not really. Here he goes, he's going away. Goodbye! All you can see is the rope hanging down from his bucket. But they're cutting down a lot of trees. They're probably taking down like 10 trees out there. They're huge trees. They're like 60, 70 feet high trees. I don't know. They're massive. Anyway, they all gotta go to make room for this addition. So he was here yesterday, took some out, and then back today. But somebody told us we were supposed to put these out this weekend because they're getting humongous. Like, looks like we have a grow up in our house. It's funny. But the other thing that's happening is some of these have been having some incidents. Yeah. I think one was from this little dude. And then I think Sam got out there and he was like, ah! So, anyway, it hasn't been too bad.
I did. Did you have a great solo tonight? Yes or no?
You're funny, kid.
What?
You made that to give it to her at when she comes for dance recital, for your dance recital.
Yeah, that's why I said that.
Cool. You're funny. You're really
I
funny.
wanted to know it's good. Daddy, it's very soon. It's only
A month away till your dance recital.
I hope my mascara
Your dance
doesn't
season
run.
is your mess.
I don't want to do that. Just eat.
You always want something to eat. You're crazy.
I want to
I didn't have a chair, but you're eating your spaghetti.
Yeah.
You like your spaghetti?
Daddy, where's Mama? Where's Mama?
Mommy's upstairs because she's
Hey.
sick today.
Daddy,
Not
guess
feeling
what?
so hot.
What if we go to Grandma's house and McDonald's? Daddy, guess what? Hello, TV.
So Dad made dinner, right? And it's good
More
except
dinner?
the noodles are yucky
More dinner?
because Daddy did something wrong.
More dinner?
No, bye. Like didn't put enough oil on it.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
More dinner.
You're not quite in focus.
TV. Hello, in Cleveland. Wait. Hello. Wait a
Somebody
minute.
touch this lens. No.
Hello, TV.
Bye. You're gonna get your.
Bye. Hello, in Cleveland. Hey,
Look at these babies eating this stuff.
Is that how they do it, Daddy? I know. Daddy. Can I please have this candy?
So anyway, we're eating dinner. There's still, you might be able to hear in the background, they're still cutting down trees. They're almost done. There's one tree left. So exciting. It's a big tree though. One tree left.
And do you want me to tell you how they cut down one of the trees that I saw?
How'd they do that?
One person, they cut off the whole branches and everything.
Yeah.
One person was sawing at the bottom, and the other person tied it around when they were up there,
Yeah.
and then they floated down, and the other person was sawing at the bottom, and then that person was pulling the tree.
And it pulled it the right way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Buddy? It's very messy. You messy guy? Did you enjoy your dinner? Banner. Do you like spaghetti? You guys just sit there and eat. You've ate all your brothers and sisters' spaghettis. You realize that, right? Too funny. Too funny, little kiddos. Too funny. Alright guys, so that's our day. We are all done. All our trees are gone. You can't really see from there because they didn't have leaves on them, but they are gone. Just going across the road to bring our van back because we can have it over here now. There's a mess of trees that they gotta clean up, but I don't think that's my job. I don't know. I guess I'll find out. Anyway, it was super fun Saturday considering we were inside. Luckily it wasn't too hot. So that was good. And tomorrow we're off to church. And then I don't know what's going on Monday. We shall have to see. I think maybe they're coming to start our stuff. So, alright. See you later.